I picked up a random hitchhiker on the side of the road.
You need a ride?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Where you going?
I don't know who he really is. I don't know what he's thinking. Didn't get his story. Didn't ask enough questions. Now we're walking on a sheet of ice with nothing but fishing gear, a sharp chainsaw, and time. And when you're standing on frozen water next to someone you just met, you start to wonder.
This is bad.
Is this just another fishing trip? Or is this the worst decision I've made all winter? Let's find out.